Hi friends, I'm so excited to be back for another lesson with you. Today we will be exploring alligators and crocodiles. And did you know only alligators can live in Wilmington, not crocodiles? So today we're going to start with our phonics warm-up to get our brains ready. Then we're going to jump into fact and opinions, and we're going to learn why good readers need to understand the difference between facts and opinions. To start us off, we're going to play a game. Then we're going to read the book Alligators and Crocodiles by Gail Gibbons. Let's get started. Follow my pointer and say them after me. A, apple, a. A, safe, a. E, ed, e. E, Pete, e. I, itch, I. I, pine, I. O, octopus, ah. O, home, o. U, up, U, mule, U. U, rule, oo. Great job on our vowels. Next, we're going to work on our glued sounds. Copy me. A-L-L, ball, all. A-M, ham, am. A-N, fan, an. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. Great job. Now we're going to do our R-controlled vowels. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, Amazing. Now we're going to do our vowel teams. A-I, bait, A. A-Y, play, A. E-E, jeep, E. E-A, eat, E. E-Y, key, E. O-I, coin, oi. O-Y, boy, oi. O-A, boat, O. O-E, toe, O. O-W, snowplow, O. O-U, trout soup, oo. O-O, school book, oo. U-E, blue rescue, oo. E-W, W, chew, ooh. A-U, August, ah. A-W, saw, ah. Facts and opinions are so important to know as readers and even writers. We need to know what a fact from opinion is when we are reading so we can gain the right knowledge. So before we begin, I am going to teach you about what a fact is and what an opinion is. So first up is facts. And facts are true statements. They can be proven. So they are true and they can be proven whether we look them up or if we can ask someone or if we can see it or hear it ourselves. An example of a fact is alligators lay eggs. That is true. It can be proven. An opinion is someone's feelings or beliefs about a topic or something that we're learning about. So an opinion is someone's feelings or beliefs. They can't always be proven. So here's an example of an opinion. Crocodiles are the coolest animals. That is an opinion. So it's important that we notice the facts in text that we read because those are true. An opinion, sometimes an author will slide in their opinion, and that's okay. Here is a song that I use to help me remember about facts and opinions. It goes to the tune of Wheels on the Bus. So listen to me first. Facts and opinions are what I read. Facts are true. You can prove. Opinions are what someone thinks or feels. Different for everyone. All right, I'm going to say a line and you copy me. My turn. Facts and opinions are what I read. Facts are true. You can prove. Opinions are what someone thinks or feels. Different for everyone. Great job. Now sing the whole thing with me. The words are on our screen. Facts and opinions are what I read. Facts are true. You can prove. Opinions are what someone thinks or feels. Different for everyone. Great job. This song helps me remember because I know that facts are true and I can prove them. And I know opinions are what people think or feel, and they're different for everyone. Now we're going to play the game Fact or Opinion. On your screen, you will see a sentence. I will read you the sentence, and your job is to yell out if it's a fact or an opinion. All right, here we go. Fact or opinion. Sharks are fish. Is that a fact or an opinion? Tell me. It's a fact. That is something that can be proven. Here's my next one. Soccer is the worst sport. Fact or opinion? It's an opinion. It's how someone thinks or feels. Next sentence. Insects are annoying. Fact or opinion? Yes, it's an opinion. It's stating how someone feels or thinks. It is raining outside. Is that a fact or an opinion? Yes, it's a fact because it can be proven. We can look outside to see if it's raining. George Washington was the first president of the United States. Fact or opinion? Yes, it's a fact. It can be proven. Michael Jordan is the best athlete in the entire world. Fact or opinion? Yes, it's an opinion. It's how someone thinks or feels about Michael Jordan. Basketball practice will last for 2 hours after school. Is this a fact or an opinion? Yes, it's a fact. We can look it up and see that basketball practice will last for 2 hours. You should go to the movies this weekend. Is that a fact or an opinion? Yes, it's an opinion. It's how someone thinks or feels what you should do. Our water bill was $56.25. Fact or opinion? Yes, it's a fact because we can look at the bill and see that price. Flamingos are the prettiest birds. Fact or opinion? Yes, it's an opinion. It's how someone feels or thinks about flamingos. Every child should receive an allowance for doing chores at home. Fact or opinion? Yes, it is an opinion. It's how someone thinks or feels about children doing chores and getting allowance for it. There are 7 continents. Is that a fact or an opinion? Right, that is a fact. We can look on a globe or map and count the continents. I believe that summer is the most enjoyable season. Fact or opinion? Yes, it is opinion. It's how someone thinks or feels about summer. Is this a fact or an opinion? Snakes are reptiles that lay eggs. Yes, it's a fact. You should never walk in school in the snow. You should never walk to school in the snow. Fact or an opinion? It's an opinion because that will change on the person we ask. It depends on the person and how they think or feel. I have a dentist appointment after school. Fact or opinion? Yes, fact, because it is true that there would be a dentist appointment after school for this person. Broccoli is the tastiest vegetable. Fact or opinion? Yes, it's an opinion because our opinion might be different than the person saying the sentence. There are 84 students in the first grade at Shandley Elementary. Fact or opinion? Yes, that's a fact because we could count the students that are there and see for a fact that there are 84 first graders. Is this a fact or opinion? Swimming is the best activity to do in the summer. Yes, it's an opinion. We might agree with our opinion, but it is still how we and the person who's saying this sentence think or feel. A nonfiction book contains information about a topic. A nonfiction book contains information about a topic. Yes, it's a fact because we can look in nonfiction books and see that it contains information. Great job. Alligators and Crocodiles by Gail Gibbons. Something glides slowly through the water, barely making a ripple. It is well hidden and looks like a bumpy drifting log. 2 eyes and a snout appear above the water. Is it an alligator or a crocodile? Alligators and crocodiles are members of a group of reptiles called crocodilians. They are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs and the world's largest reptiles. According to paleontologists, alligators, crocodiles, and dinosaurs lived on Earth about 230 million years ago. About 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs became extinct, but alligators and crocodiles continue to live. The word crocodile comes from the word crocodilos, which means lizard in Greek. The word alligator comes from el lagarto, which means the lizard in Spanish. There are 2 different kinds of alligators and 14 different kinds of crocodiles. The only area inhabited by both alligators and crocodiles is the southern tip of Florida and the Florida Keys. Alligators and crocodiles usually live in climates where the water and air temperatures are warm all year long. Some alligators live in cooler climates where they must hibernate if it gets too cold. The difference between an American alligator and an American crocodile. So over here we have the American alligator, and it has thick covered bony plates, a wide rounded snout, a wide head, and only the top teeth can be seen when the jaw is closed. This is an American crocodile. Upper and lower teeth can be seen when the jaws are closed. The head, back, and tail are tan or greenish gray. It has a narrow head and a narrow, long snout. Alligators and crocodiles are carnivores. They catch their prey. They may stay perfectly still. When an animal comes near, snap! The animal is grabbed in a split second. Alligators and crocodiles may also swim slowly and quietly to their unaware prey and attack. Young alligators and crocodiles usually feed on small prey such as fish, frogs, and birds using their powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Larger, older alligators and crocodiles may eat big animals such as raccoons and deer. Often, they grab their prey and hold its nose underwater until the animal drowns. Also, they may leap to catch their prey. They eat by ripping the animal apart and swallowing the pieces whole. Alligators and crocodiles are good swimmers and spend most of their time in the water. They use their powerful swishing tails to move forward. They are able to steer using their tails and back legs. By tucking in all 4 legs, they are able to swim faster. They can crawl, walk, and run. Sometimes they walk with their bodies high off the ground. This is called a high walk. Alligators and crocodiles are nocturnal. They see well in the dark. They also see far away very well. They cannot see well underwater. Crocodiles and alligators have an excellent senses of smell. They also have excellent senses of hearing. They are able to pick up vibrations in the air or water by using their ears as well as the shallow nerves on top of their head. Sensory pits on their bodies also help detect vibrations in the water. Vibrations alert them to any nearby prey. The thick, bony plates of American alligators and American crocodiles help protect them. Alligators and crocodiles can make roaring, grumbling, and hissing sounds when they are protecting their territory. They will puff out their necks to show that they are ready to fight. During mating seasons, males and females communicate by making grunts, barks, and low rumbling sounds. Often they rub snouts, blow bubbles on the water's surface, and swim together in circles. Sometimes they will make sounds by slapping the surface of the water to attract a mate. A few weeks later, the females lay their eggs in nests where the eggs will be kept warm and protected. Mother alligators and crocodiles are always on the alert, guarding their nests to protect their young away from egg-eating animals, such as skunks and raccoons. Usually, it takes about 65 days before the alligator and crocodile eggs begin to hatch. Newborns are called hatchlings. Most hatchlings are about 10 inches long. Within minutes of hatching, their mother takes them in the water. The female alligator and crocodile stay close to their young for about a year. They protect them from harm before the young ones go off on their own. Young alligators and crocodiles grow about 1 foot a year for their first 6 years. As they get older, they grow slower. They continue to grow throughout their lives. Alligators and crocodiles use their strong legs, feet, and tails to dig holes in muddy marshlands. The holes fill with water. Other wildlife living nearby will also make use of these water holes. American alligators and American crocodiles were hunted for hundreds of years for their meat and skins. Today, it is illegal to hunt them, but humans are still their main enemy. People have developed areas where these large reptiles once lived. There are fewer and fewer places where alligators and crocodiles can live in their natural environment. Wildlife preserves have been created to protect them. Alligators and crocodiles have been around for millions of years. Now they are endangered. The lives of these fascinating creatures should be respected. A little more about alligators and crocodiles. Some ancient Egyptians worshipped Sobek, a god whose head was shaped like a crocodile. A crocodile can slam down its jaws using 13 tons of pressure. Crocodiles live on all continents except Antarctica and Europe. In addition to alligators and crocodiles, there are 2 other members of the crocodilian family. Gharials are found in India and Southeast Asia. Caimans are found in Central America and South America. Scientists believe that alligators and crocodiles can live to be about 70 years old in the wild. A group of young hatchlings is called a creche. The largest American alligator ever found in the wild was about 19 feet long. It was found in 1890 in Louisiana. After a large meal, it is possible for an adult alligator or crocodile to go for many months without having to eat again. I hope you love that book by Gail Gibbons. She writes some beautiful texts about nonfiction and does a great job using illustrations to tell her information. Now that we read it, as readers, if someone asks us about the book that we just read or listened to, we need to make sure we are telling them the facts. Facts that came straight from the book, even if we might have our opinions about the topic, which is okay. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to think about one fact that you learned from the book. Is it in your brain? All right. Tell me what one fact you learned from the book was. Great! I heard so many of you using things that you found from the book that are true, like alligators and crocodiles lay eggs. That is true, and we found that fact inside the book by Gail Gibbons. So there are so many facts inside that book. After reading that book, we might have an opinion about alligators and crocodiles as well. And that is amazing because it is helping us build our schema to get more thoughts in our brain, which is great. What is an opinion you have about alligators and crocodiles? Think about it. All right, tell me. Yes, I heard someone say alligators and crocodiles are really cool. That is someone's opinion, and someone else might have a different opinion, and that's great. But remember, as readers and writers, we want to pull out those facts so we can always write about them or talk about them and get the true information into our schema. I had so much fun. You have a great rest of your day. Bye.